Hello my dear students, today we will discuss the numerical problems from the exercise of the textbook. Okay, from kinetic theory of gases and radiation. Okay, let us discuss the first problem. The first problem is, it says compare the mean square velocity. Okay, mean square velocity is what? V square bar. Okay, mean square velocities of gas molecules at two different temperatures. Okay, what are the temperatures which are given? T1 is equal to what? 30 Kelvin, and T2 is equal to 120 Kelvin. Okay, uh, okay, 30 Kelvin and 120 Kelvin. Now how to solve this? We know that mean square velocity is equal to what? 3RT upon m0. Okay, R is the gas constant, T is the temperature, this is the mean square velocity, and this is what? This is the molar mass of the gas. Okay, so now there are two different temperatures. So if V1 square bar and V2 square bar are the mean square velocities at these temperatures, then V1 square will be equal to what? 3RT1 upon m0. Now m0 will not be different at different temperatures, it is same, and V2 square bar is equal to what? 3RT2 upon m0. Okay, रेशियो लेंगे V1 square bar upon V2 square bar will be equal to what? This upon this. So 3RT1 upon m0 divided by 3RT2 upon m0. ओके, ये 3 R कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा, मतलब दिस इज इक्वल टू T1 by T2. Simply put the values. T1 is what? 30, T2 is what? 120, so this is equal to 1 by 4. Clear? So V1 square bar by V2 square bar is equal to what? 1 by 4. So their ratio is 1:4. Clear? So therefore V1 square bar is to V2 square bar is equal to 1:4. Okay, so let us discuss the next one. Numerical problems from this chapter are easy. See the next question, question number 11th. Okay, that was question number 11. This is question number 12. Now what the question number 12 says, there are two vessels A and B which are filled with same gas, where volume, temperature and pressure in vessel A is twice the volume, temperature and pressure in vessel B. Okay, so what is given? Okay, volume in vessel A. Okay, this is equal to 2 times volume in pressure vessel B, then pressure in A is equal to 2 times of pressure in B. Okay, then temperature in A is equal to 2 times the temperature in B. This is what is given. Okay, two vessels A and B are filled with same gas, where volume, temperature and pressure in vessel A is twice the volume, temperature and pressure in vessel B. Calculate the ratio of the number of molecules of gas in vessel A to that in vessel B. Okay, so this is all given, volume, pressure and temperature. Okay, now we want to find out what we have to find out, what is given, the ratio of the number of molecules in these two. Now we know that gas equation, according to the ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. बराबर है. Now n is what? N is the number of molecules divided by Avogadro's number, okay, into R into T. So therefore PAVA is equal to NA. So this is for A, this is for Avogadro's number, okay, small a we will represent. This is the number of molecules into RTA divided by, this is Avogadro's number. I will represent this by N0, okay, to avoid any confusion. And PBVB is equal to NBRTB upon N0. Okay, so therefore PBVB is equal to this thing. So what we will do, we will take their ratios. Okay, now PAVA upon PBVB is equal to NA, this R and R will cancel, N0 will cancel, Avogadro's number, NATA upon NBTB. Okay, now VA is twice VB, PA is twice PB. So let us put these values. PA is twice PB, okay, VA is twice VB upon, this is PB VB. Okay, this is equal to NA. TA is 2 times of TB, this is also given, and this is NB TB. So all these things will cancel. Okay, so 4, 2 into 2 is 4, is equal to NA by NB. Okay, 2 also we will shift here. So this is 2 2s are 4, so this is 2 by 1. So the ratio of Na, number of molecules in A, to number of molecules of B will be equal to what? This is 2:1. Okay. Clear? So the next one. Actually they are straightforward, simple, based on the formulas. A gas in a cylinder is at pressure P. So the pressure is equal to P. Okay, this is given. If the masses of all the molecules are made 1/3 of their original value. Okay, इसका मतलब ओरिजिनल वैल्यू अगर m है, ओके, सो m1 इज इक्वल टू m, सो m2 मास क्या करेंगे हम लोग, masses को we will make 1/3 of their original value, so they will become what, 1/3 of m, and their speeds are doubled. Okay, मतलब VRMS 2 is equal to 2 times of VRMS 1. Okay, so and their speeds are doubled. Then find the resultant pressure. Okay, now we have to find out what will be the pressure which is obtained by this by making these changes. Clear? Now we know we had derived the formula for pressure. Pressure is equal to what? 1 by 3 N by V mV square bar. Pressure P is equal to 1 by 3 N by V into M V square bar. Clear? So now we want to find out the pressure P2. Okay, because the original pressure is P. Clear? So now pressure P2 is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, then what we will do now, we will first write the expressions for the pressure in these two conditions. Okay, P1 क्या हो जाएगा? P1 which is equal to P which is equal to what? 1/3. Okay, number of molecules तो उतने के उतने ही है. Okay, वॉल्यूम भी उतना ही है. मास पहले m1 है. Okay, v1 square bar. So P2 will be equal to what? 1/3 n by v. ये तो चेंज नहीं कर रहे हैं हम लोग, मास तो चेंज करके m2 कर रहे हैं. और Vrms, ओके, वो क्या कर रहे हैं? So this is v2 square bar. ओके, अब क्या क्या करेंगे हम लोग? P1 by P2 will be equal to what? This upon this is equal to, ये 1/3 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये सब भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा. m1 v1 square bar upon m2 v2 square bar. Clear? Now P1 was equal to what? P था, P2 हमको फाइंड आउट करना है. दिस इज इक्वल टू m1 तो m था हमारा. ओके, नाउ v1, ये जो Vrms 1 है, दिस इज इक्वल टू सपोज v. ओके, सो ये क्या हो जाएगा फिर? v स्क्वायर, v स्क्वायर बार. क्लियर? ओके, अपॉन मास को क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग? m2 इज इक्वल टू 1/3 ऑफ m1. ओके, सो 1/3 ऑफ m. अब जो वेलोसिटी है, ये v2 स्क्वायर बार, ये कितना कर रहे हैं हम लोग? 2 टाइम्स ऑफ द अर्लियर वैल्यू. ओके, सो अब 2 टाइम्स ऑफ v का स्क्वायर, मतलब ये क्या हो जाएगा? 4 टाइम्स ऑफ v स्क्वायर बार. क्लियर? सो नाउ अब ये m और m कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये v स्क्वायर कैंसिल हो जाएगा. क्लियर? सो देयरफॉर p by p2 इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? ये 3 तो ऊपर चला जाएगा, 3 by this 1 into 4 is 4. क्लियर? सो देयरफॉर P2, इसको इधर लेके, अब क्या P2 इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? इसको इधर लेके आओ, इनको इधर. दिस इज 4/3 P. सो द न्यू प्रेशर will be 4/3 times of the original pressure. Clear? It's simple, you just have to put these values. Okay, understand कि किस चीज का वैल्यू क्या दिया है, and then simply put the values. Okay, चलो, we'll see the next one. This was question number 13. Okay, 12 तो तभी हो गया था. This was question number 13. Next one, question number 14. Question number 14 में what is given? Show that RMS velocity of an oxygen molecule is √2 times that of sulfur dioxide molecule. Okay, now RMS velocity हम लोगों को find out करना है, right? Prove करना है. So RMS velocity होता क्या है? What is RMS velocity? Show that the RMS velocity of an oxygen molecule is √2 times that of the sulfur dioxide molecule at standard temperature and pressure. Okay, so standard temperature and pressure is given. Okay, so temperature is equal to what? Temperature is equal to 0 degree Celsius, मतलब 273 Kelvin, and pressure is equal to 1 atmosphere. ये standard temperature and pressure है. अब हम लोगों को RMS velocity को कंपेयर करना है ऑक्सीजन एंड सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड के लिए. Okay, now we know the formula for P. What is P? P is equal to what? 1 by 3 into N upon V into एक काम कर सकते हैं, okay, RMS velocity we want to compare. So what we will do is we can use the formula for pressure also. Just a minute. Okay, सीधा RMS velocity का formula से भी we can do. VRMS is equal to what? Rather than using these things, VRMS was equal to what? Under root of 3RT upon M0. Clear? हम लोग क्या करेंगे इसको? अब we want to compare for oxygen and sulfur dioxide. Clear? सब ऑक्सीजन का हम लोगों को मॉलिक्यूलर मास पता है. ऑक्सीजन का मॉलिक्यूलर मास इज 32 ग्राम्स पर मोल एंड सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड इज 64. ओके, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड का 64 ग्राम्स पर मोल है. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, V फॉर O2 इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट ऑफ 3RT, T तो कॉमन है, कांस्टेंट है, ओके, डिवाइडेड बाय दिस इज M फॉर O2. Clear? And then VSO2 will be equal to what? Under root of 3RT, क्योंकि ये तो कांस्टेंट ही है टेम्परेचर, डिवाइडेड बाय M SO2 सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड. So therefore VO2 upon VSO2 will be equal to what? This upon this. Okay, under root of 3RT upon MO2 upon under root of 3RT upon MSO2. So ये 3RT तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा. Therefore VO2 upon VSO2 will be equal to what? अब ये डिनोमिनेटर में ऊपर चला जाएगा, so under root of molar mass of SO2 upon molar mass of O2. So this will be equal to, what is the molar mass of SO2? 64. What is the molar mass of O2? 32. So 32 2s are 64. So therefore RMS velocity of O2, okay, will be equal to under root of 2 times of RMS velocity of SO2. Okay, this is simple. Simply we have to put this into this formula. VRMS is equal to what? Under root of 3RT upon M0. M0 is the molar mass. Clear? Chalo. See the next one. It's question number 15. See, question number 15. This is what? At what temperature will oxygen molecules have same RMS speed as helium molecules at STP? Clear? So helium molecules के लिए तो दिया हुआ है, it is STP. ये फाइंड आउट करना है कि ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल्स किस टेम्परेचर पे सेम RMS वेलोसिटी होगा उनका. ओके, सो नाउ वी विल राइट RMS velocity VRMS of helium. This is equal to what? Under root of 3R into T upon M0. Okay, so this is equal to under root of 3R. T is what? 273 क्लियर अपॉन m0 हीलियम के लिए मोलर मास कितना है 4 देन VRMS for O2 this is equal to what अंडर रूट ऑफ 3R T हमको फाइंड आउट करना है अपॉन मोलर मास ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज 32 ओके सो देयरफॉर अब नाउ दिस टू थिंग्स आर इक्वल ही सेज कि किस टेम्परेचर पे ये इसके बराबर हो जाएगा इसका मतलब ये दोनों बराबर है अभी टेम्परेचर T पे सो इसका रेशियो लेने पर क्या आ जाएगा 1 आ जाएगा VRMS ऑफ हीलियम अपॉन VRMS ऑफ O2 ओके ये तो अल्टीमेटली 1 होगा दिस इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट ऑफ दिस सो दिस इज अंडर रूट ऑफ 3R into 273 into 273 into R upon 4 by under root of 3RT upon 32 okay now this is equal to ये 3 और 3 कैंसिल हो गया R कैंसिल हो गया ओके सो यहाँ क्या बचा रहेगा अंडर रूट ऑफ 273 ये वाला ओके ये ऊपर चला जाएगा इनटू 32 क्लियर अपॉन यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा 4 इंटू टी ओके so this is 4 8s are 32 fine now this ratio is equal to what 1 क्योंकि ये इक्वल है दोनों साइड में स्क्वायर करिए so this is 1 by 1 is equal to 273 into 8 upon t so therefore t इसको इधर शिफ्ट करिए is equal to what 2184 Kelvin. Okay, so at 2184 Kelvin, both the RMS velocities will be same. Clear? Chalo, next one. Question number 16. What question number 16 says? Compare the RMS speed of hydrogen molecules at 127 degrees Celsius with the RMS speed of oxygen molecules at 27 degrees Celsius. Okay, 127 पे है hydrogen. Clear? So temperature of hydrogen is equal to 127 degrees Celsius. This is equal to कितना हो जाएगा? 127 degrees Celsius plus 273. This is equal to what? 400 Kelvin. Okay. And temperature of oxygen is 27 degrees Celsius. So this will be equal to 300 Kelvin. 273 plus 27. Now we want to compare the RMS speed. Okay. So this is given. We want to compare them. We will write the formulas for both. दोनों के लिए फार्मूला लिखेंगे. So VRMS for hydrogen is equal to what? Under root of 3R temperature of hydrogen upon molar mass of hydrogen. VRMS for oxygen is equal to under root of 3R temperature of oxygen upon molar mass of oxygen. Clear? So now we want to compare these two values. So we want to compare these two values. So we will take their ratios. Okay. So VRMS for hydrogen upon VRMS for oxygen is equal to square root of this upon square root of this. 3R temperature of hydrogen upon molar mass of hydrogen divided by under root of 3R temperature of oxygen upon molar mass of oxygen. Okay, so this is equal to this 3R will cancel. So this is equal to under root of TH2 upon TO2 into, अब ये तो ऊपर चला जाएगा, अंडर रूट ऑफ MO2 upon MH2. You simply put their values. टेम्परेचर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन कितना था 400. ओके, अंडर रूट ऑफ 400 अपॉन व्हाट वाज द टेम्परेचर ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, दैट वाज 300. ओके, क्लियर? क्या क्या था 123 एंड 23 ना, 120 127 and 27. So this is 400 and this is 300. Clear? And what was their molar masses? Molar mass of oxygen is 32, molar mass of hydrogen is 2. Okay, so this is 216. Clear? So this is equal to root of 4 into 16 is 64 upon 3. So this is 8 by root of 3. Okay, now what we have to do is, ठीक है, up to this only we have to find out 8 upon under root of 3. Clear? चलिए, next one is question number 17. Find the kinetic energy of 5 liters of gas. Okay, volume is given, that is 5 liters at STP. So temperature is 273 Kelvin, pressure is equal to 1 atmosphere. Okay, given standard pressure is, okay, pressure is given, standard pressure बोल रहा है 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per meter square is given. Okay, now we want to find out the kinetic energy. Okay, now kinetic energy of a gas is given by 3 by 2 into PV. Okay, E is equal to 3 by 2 into P into V. Clear? Now both pressure as well as volume is given. So what we do is we just put their values. 3 by 2 into pressure is equal to what, 1.013 into 10 to the power of 5 into volume is given. Volume is 5 liters. So इसको, this is 5 decimeter cube, right? हाँ, इसको क्या करेंगे हम लोग, मीटर क्यूब में कन्वर्ट करेंगे SI यूनिट्स में. So this decimeter is equal to what, 10 to the power of -1. Okay, decimeter is 10 to the power of -1 मीटर, इसका क्यूब. So therefore ये क्या हो जाएगा, 10 to the power of -3. Clear? So this will be equal to, just multiply 3 by 2 into 1.013 into 5, okay, into 10 to the power of 5 minus 3, that is 10 to the power of 2. Okay, so we just carry out this multiplication, and this multiplication comes out to 7.597 into 10 to the power of 2. 7.597 into 10 to the power of 2. Clear? This many joules. So in the textbook the answer is given wrong, little bit of error is there. The actual answer should be this 7.597 into 10 to the power of 2. Clear? So I hope you are understanding that the problems of this chapter are very easy. Just you need to remember some formulas. There are 4 or 5 odd formulas in this chapter. You just need to remember those formulas and simply put the values and get the final answer. Clear? So thank you very much for viewing this video. In the next video, we will finish the remaining problems. Thank you.